Hey folks, I'm back. I'm alive. It's Tuesday, November 8th. We're at Magic Kingdom. Go in here and check out all of the new Christmas decorations, snacks, merch. That's our focus today. Haven't seen me in 10 days because I've had the flu. I was incredibly sick, wasn't able to do anything. Hardly left my house for 10 days, but I am feeling better and I'm really happy to have you guys along with me. I'm Ben. If you're new to the channel, please like this video and subscribe for lots of awesome theme park content.
We are now passing Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, a part of Disney Vacation Club.
Oh, look at their Christmas stuff.
It's MagicKingdom Honor Health.
Minnie and Mickey decorated for Christmas. So exciting. They added lots of really cool wreaths everywhere. These over the archways on the entrance. It's gorgeous Christmas wreath here. Hey buddy, how you doing? What? Look at the tree this year. So beautiful. Looks like they finally got everything out now. All of these nutcrackers here in this front garden and picture area. There's a bunch of them. And this tree is magnificent. Lots of awesome presents under the tree. This teddy bear's so cool, little car. This giant jack. And the train is awesome. Raggedy Ann. I'm gonna head straight into the Emporium first, and of course, look for awesome Christmas merch.
We're not riding right now, we're walking. Okay, I gotta do it. Come on, I got you.
We got lots of sweaters and ears. So much cool stuff. I really like what they did with these Spirit jerseys here. I normally don't like the way Spirit jerseys look, but they made these look like Christmas sweaters, which is a big win if you ask me. Oh, it's an advent calendar. Well, a countdown calendar, not really an advent calendar, but that's really cool. Yeah, I love these sweaters. These sweaters are all so cool. Excuse me. I don't really wear Christmas stuff really because it's not my style, but like I love it. Used to love to dress my kids in it. All of these wreaths that they put out are just so awesome, such great quality, and they're everywhere. I'll show you guys one of the gold ones up here. Which one do you like better, the red ones or the gold ones? Let me know in the comments below. I think I like the gold one better. They definitely added some details to the castle for Christmas. If you can see the little, they almost look like garland, but they're like, or like the balls that they put. So gorgeous. I had felt kind of bad about not being able to get here sooner, you know, because all the other vloggers come and do their Christmas stuff, and I was too sick to come and do it when they put the decorations up on Tuesday. But I watched a few videos and it looks like they have more up today than they did on Tuesday, so maybe it was a blessing in disguise.
Welcome, because she ruins everything. Or this close to taking over, and then she says, "Oh, I would marry true love." We shine in everything.
Big Al. Big Al just chilling up there, being brutal. This was my mission today. Expedition Jingle Cruise. All things Disney, all things Christmas. 65 minutes for the Jingle Cruise. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna stand in the line and do it because it's worth it.
I mean Jingle Cruise, that was my first Noel. Yeah, if you didn't like that, just put your head down and take a quick nap. I won't be offended. I appreciate it. That's the entire cruise. It's really bad jokes, okay? Okay. Well, my name is Skipper Maddie, and I will be your boat driver, your passport stringer, your tree trimmer, and most definitely not your swim instructor. Okay, I have definitely how to swim, don't ask me, okay? Alrighty, now here in the Amazon River, we do have some pretty big dogs, so if you see them, just ignore them. But if you start itching, we've got some fleas, Navidad, so just kind of ignore those. We're trying to find a way around it, okay? Now they have inspiration balls.
The Santa hats. So many Santa hats.
To be more festive. And so welcome, Skipper Maddie. Now right over here is our first booth and bike shop. Now normally there is a skipper up there. I don't see anyone. Canoe? Oh, if someone is over there, Merry Christmas, Happy Veronica, and Happy Canoe Year. Yeah. Stay tuned for me, friends. Alrighty, now that's not what that's supposed to be. Yeah, that's actually supposed to be a partridge and a pair of trees, but someone definitely missed that. Now over here, looks like we have some Christmas shoppers going amp over those holiday deals. Yeah. You know, I bet you there's any buddies that I'll cover that Friday. Yeah. Alright, nice movie. Thank you, I appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah, there's one and there's one here. We keep telling them that they're on the naughty list, but they're just in denial. Thank you. I appreciate that. If you try to argue with me about it too. But we are now making our way to the African Belt. However, we're pointing out a few animal species because I guarantee you have never seen any of these animals before. Maybe one. But I'll tell you what they are, just so you're aware for next time, okay? Alrighty, on top we have some long-neck cheetahs, okay? The long-neck are the guys that kill Mufasa, okay? Yeah. In the middle we're going to have some Chevy Impalas. And off to the side of some old-timey horses. They're so in black and white. How crazy. Yeah, and then those scary-looking turkeys and a family of lions enjoying a nice holiday meal. Zebra on the rocks. Anyways, so let's get a picture. So we're just gonna get on out of here. We're gonna go see my very good friend. This is Felix and Dr. Moz, okay? We should be over here, maybe throwing down on something, decorating. I don't know. Let's see. Oh! Dr. Moz, I love the Christmas tree! Oh! I'd love to see that everyone is helping you decorate too. That's so festive. Hey, I'll make your Christmas tree tomorrow later on tonight when I get off, and I'll bring some eggnog just to enjoy yourself, okay? Okay, hopefully everyone likes that dog. And we're over here for my very two good friends. The bigger one's name is Smiley, and the smaller one's name is Ginger. But be careful. Stay seated, friends. Thank you. Yeah, be careful, because Ginger's now. Yeah, she is one tough cookie, though. Don't you worry. She'll be fine. Anyway, I'm going to be telling you to the Rowdy. I can't manage to find a plane. Take me out of the jungle. They're all grounded. As an airline pilot, the hardest part about the job was the ground. That makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that was not my plane. That was definitely not my plane, okay? Yeah, it's gonna fly by and ignore it, okay? Yeah, y'all remember Stupid Felix that I was talking about? I think we found one he had everyone's Christmas presents. Yeah, if you wanted a hippopotamus. Now, as we move it on, okay, everyone, gotta be really quiet. We've just come across some Christmas carolers, okay? Alright, gotta be very quiet. I'm talking to Jingle Bells for the 25th time today, okay? Very quiet. I'll let you know how we're gonna get started. Hold on, everybody. The amazing Disney Fantasy 8 corner on the way. Are you ready? Here we go. Essentially, right? But this year we decided to give her the gift of a shower. Yeah, she's not real bad at needed one. I will not beat her. I haven't showered in like a year and a half. I'm truly sorry, just not help here. It's awful. Anyways, now as our journey is just about over, not quite, you are still stuck with me for a little bit longer. You're welcome. Anyways, yeah, my gift to y'all for Christmas is, we're gonna go by the gift shop. The gift shop. We rebranded, that's my bad. Anyways, yeah, my very good friend Trudy Sam runs our gift shop. And we, here at our gift shop, we tend to sell things for your loved ones and your family members that look very similar to something they lost earlier in the day. Okay? Like very similar. And we tend to specialize in wallets, although minus like a credit card and $100. That's what we tend to specialize in. But you know, it varies. We have a pair of underwear if you want that. We have socks. We've got a hat. There's lots of hats. Our slippers are very good at sizing for hats. We're really good at capsizing. So, you know, it is. Now before we head into the dock, because we do have to wait for them to unload that book that is directly in front of us. So as we wait, there are a couple of things that we need to go over, my friends, okay? I hope we're fine. I'm gonna assume so. I don't want the actual answer. Okay. So number one being this is a real boat, okay? When we head up to that dock and you start to get out, the boat is going to rock, okay? Alright? You just don't want it to, you don't want to be hit with it.
Just got off the Jingle Cruise. It was a posted 65-minute wait. I only had to wait 35. That was awesome. All the theming was really cool, as you'll see in the video, and hopefully over the loud sound of the motor you can make out a lot of the jokes, because they were really funny and there were a lot of Christmas themed ones, and there was a nihilist joke which I particularly loved. Yeah, it was great. 35 minutes less than was posted. Crowds are kind of light today. They're not terrible. It's just an awesome day. They do have more of the popcorn buckets, in case anyone was wondering. Inside Big Top Souvenirs, they have a lot of the Christmas treats. They all look so good.
A red velvet cupcake. You want some here?
The weather is starting to take a turn for the worst. In true Florida fashion, it's raining a little bit. I think it's going to get ugly. So I'm heading out of here, folks. It's a little afternoon. The crowds were really light today. It was a really awesome day. I really enjoyed all the new Christmas ambiance. I'll be back many, many times before Christmas is over. I'll probably do the Christmas party this year. All in all, I had a blast. I was gonna stay longer, but I started feeling a little, you know, just exhausted, which is weird for me because I normally walk over 10 miles every day. So if I started to feel exhausted after I ran 2.5 miles this morning, and I've only walked maybe 4 miles or so. So if I start to feel exhausted at this point, it might mean I'm not fully recovered and I need a little more rest. I'm even having a little heavy breathing, which is really weird for me because I'm a runner. I felt much better when I left the house this morning, and I'm not really symptomatic anymore. I just have a little bit of, sniffles and congestion left over from the flu. So I'm not contagious. That's why I waited so long to come, because I wanted to make sure not only that I was recovered and feeling better, I didn't have the energy to come, but also, didn't want to be contagious. So I'm definitely feeling a lot better, just not quite there yet, I don't think. I'll take tomorrow off and try to get back at it on Thursday. Thank you guys so much, as always, for joining me. Sorry for the hiatus. Life happens, getting sick happens. But thank you all again for everything, for watching my videos, for commenting, for following my Facebook. But if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more content. Stay brutal.